Hello everyone. So today I am going to discuss about how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint software at your Android mobile phone. Okay. So if you don't have laptop or PC at your home, then you can also use this software at your mobile phone also. But you have WPS Office package at your mobile phone. Okay. But some features are not there. Okay, so for this, if you use Microsoft Office package at your mobile phone, this is better for you. Okay, so for this, first you have to go to your Play Store. Okay, at your mobile phone you have to go first Play Store, and then you have to type Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want Microsoft Word, then also it is okay, but I am going to show you how you can install Microsoft PowerPoint and how the software it is. Okay, so first you have to type Microsoft PowerPoint. So after this, see, I have already installed this one, okay, at my mobile phone, Microsoft PowerPoint. This is all about this one. The software is good for your mobile phone also. Okay, you just install from here. Okay, and then you can open it. So I have already installed it. So just I am open it. Okay, this is the, see, this is the interface. Okay, so first for this you have to go to blank presentation. There has some already built-in templates are there, but I am going to first blank presentation. See, this is like PC only. Okay, so here in the left hand side the slides are there, and in the middle portion, see, your slide, your current slide is present. Okay, so from here you can type something. So see here, this option is used for using pen. So I am going, see, my option is there, then I just write something from here. Okay, say my line is, say it will be in bold letter. Okay, so welcome to my first slide. Okay, welcome to my first slide. Okay, so this option is used for, this is the menu option. Here see, new slide option is there, notes are there, share is there, save is there, save as, then history, then print, then settings. Okay, see in the lower portion, this one, first one is, see the style of your slide, how your slide will be look like. It can be title slide, title and content, then section slide, to content, comparison slide, title only. So like your PC, all the layout, slide layouts are present here. Okay, so in the second option is, see here, see, so in this here you can start a conversation, you can write something here. Okay, and third one is used for inserting the table, fourth one is used for inserting the images, and this one is used for inserting the shapes. Then a letter is there, then this one is used for entering the text box, and this one is for camera. Okay, and see here, see in the lower portion, in the right hand side lower portion, means here. Okay, if we click on this, see here home tab is present. Okay, so see here, now home tab is present. Now here all the tabs are present here, home, then insert, then draw, then design, then transitions, then animations, then slideshow, review, and last one is view. So almost all the features are present here. In home tab, see bold, italic, underline, then font color, then font formatting, bullet, numbering, then alignment, rotation, then you can insert new slide, layout, find, everything is present in the home tab. In insert tab, see new slide, new comment, you can insert the table, picture, videos, audio, shapes, text box, everything. In draw with mouse or touch, then lasso select, then eraser, pen, highlighting, color thickness, everything. Then in design also, theme and background design is also there. Okay, then transition is also there, then animations, then slideshow, then review, then everything. So I am going to the first one, home. Okay, so here I am writing something. JNB World. I am writing my channel name actually. JNB World. Okay. So after this, see, here I have made my cursor here. Okay, so J and JNB, so I have written 2 times as JNB, so I am cutting this. Okay, so now see one thing. So this is my slide. Okay, so here first I'm going to this one, home tab. Okay, in home tab I'm going to say I want the another slide. Okay, so for this, first we have to go to this plus button. Okay, this one. So after inserting this, my new slide has entered. Okay, so I am going to write something here. Say anything you can write, or I just want to put a picture or something else. Okay, so for this I'm going to the new option. Insert, and then going to insert a table. Okay, so here I am going to insert a table. So in this table I am writing something, or just I am going to show you this design. Okay, so here you can insert in you can change your font size, font color, then font formatting, everything. In this video just I am going to show you how to insert, how to create a slide and how to use the background color, and other thing I will show you in my next video. Okay, so for this first I am going to design tab. Okay, I am going to the design tab, and then we can use a theme also. There are different type of themes are there. So I am going to this theme, say this one. Okay, or I can use background, format background also. There I can use also this thing. It will change the color of my theme. Okay, so after this, see, now start presentation is there. You can start presentation, change layout of slide, inside slide. Okay, start presentation. If I click on start presentation, it will show you one examples from current slide or from beginning or something, or I just click on this one play button. Okay, see, this is the slide. I just enter the theme and I just put the bold color and nothing else. Okay, this is just a demo of my first slide, and I can insert the picture here, I can insert the audio, video, everything, and different types of features here. In my next video I will show you how you can use the presentation in your mobile phone and how you can use the extra features, transitions, everything. Okay everyone, so thank you.